All right, so some great news that just came out today is that the HomePossible and HomeReady income limits just increased to 100% of the area median income. And in our areas, that just jumped up from 80%, which was $62,000 a year of income, maximum income limit, to now over $77,000 for the income limit in the San Bernardino Riverside counties, which is pretty huge because in the past, qualifying with the home prices these days of $62,000 a year max income was a little hard. But now jumping up to over 77,000 actually gives you a little bit more opportunity to realistically qualify for these programs, which again, it's HomeReady and HomePossible. And what's great about these programs is that you get mortgage insurance discounts as well as discounts on the interest rates. And what's also awesome is you only have to have 3% down payment and you don't have to be a first-time home buyer. And another thing that's great is that you can have non-occupying co-borrowers such as a parent. So these programs are really cool, but in the past it was just hard to be able to use them with such strict income limits. But again, now you're jumping up, almost $18,000 per year of income. That really helps your qualifying. So if you have any questions about this program, feel free to reach out. You can reach me at Stephen Burns, Stephen Burns 4Low on social media. Give me a call, 909-312-4189. Again, Stephen Burns, Primary Mortgage Resource.